We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Brother L8360 and we're going to show you how to replace and reset your belt unit. So it's a very simple process. So you can go ahead and leave the printer on, and we're going to go ahead and start by lowering this front cover just like you would to replace your toner. So you're going to push down on the toner button on the top right hand side. Lower this front cover. Now in order to access the belt unit, we need to remove the drum and toner from the printer. So we're going to start off with grabbing the number 1 handle here located in the front. Pull your toner tray all the way out. And now in order to remove your toner tray, here on the left side there's a little tab marked number 2. We need to turn that little tab about a quarter of a turn to your left. You'll feel it click over. And now to remove the drum and toner, you'll see there's also a number 3 handle here in the back. So you're going to grab the number 1 handle and the number 3 handle. You're going to lift up on the number 1 handle until you feel the tray easily come out of the printer. Make sure you set your drum and toner on a clean, dry, flat surface. And then now once you look back inside the printer, you'll see this big green kind of handle here on the front. And this is actually going to be for your belt unit. So you gently pull up on the green plastic here. And remove your belt unit. So again, very simple. Once you have this removed, just go ahead and set it off to the side. You're going to unpack your new belt unit. Make sure you remove all the packaging material. And then you're going to go ahead and remember to, all of this black part here, you want to be very careful not to touch it. If you touch it and contaminate it with any of the oils in your skin, you can actually cause print defects. So it's very important that you handle it just on the hard plastic areas. So mainly this green handle, if your hand goes just a little under here where there's some plastic, that's okay too. And just very carefully, we're going to take the new belt unit, slide it back in, and lower this green part down until it clicks down into place. So now we've successfully replaced our belt unit. And now we just need to reinstall our drum and toner. So again, you're going to grab it by handles 1 and 3, lift up at an angle, and slide it back into place. Now you'll notice you're only able to slide it in just a little bit. In order to completely push this tray back in, we need to turn this little green tab on the left side that's marked number 2 back over so that it's in its normal vertical position. Once you do that, you can go ahead and grab this number 1 handle and push this tray all the way back in and close this front cover. And so now we have everything put back together, but now we need to tell the printer that we've replaced the belt unit. So it'll get rid of the error message from the screen. In order to do that, what you're going to do is go ahead and select the settings option in the middle of the screen. And at the very bottom left, you'll see an option for all settings. Go ahead and select all settings. Now you're going to use the arrow keys to move down and find the machine information tab. And after you select the machine information, again use the arrow keys to find parts life. Once you find parts life, go ahead and select it. And so you're going to see an option for belt. It's usually the second option on the screen. And you're going to touch and hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds until a reset menu comes up. And once it comes up, it'll ask you reset belt, yes or no. You're going to go ahead and click yes. And that's going to reset the belt unit counter. So now it'll get rid of all the error messages on the screen, and it won't tell you again until it's time to replace the belt unit again. So hopefully that helps. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help you out with those. Also, if we can help supply anything for your printer or for your office supplies, please let us know. We'd love to help provide those for you as well. Other than that, we hope you have a great day and back up and printing.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.